I would never switch to Samsung. I love my phone.
What?
Yep. After 6 months of tech research and development, we launched Fold Experience, a seamless mobile experience that uses web real-time communication technology's ultra-low latency, plus complex device detection to instantly optimize for varying screen sizes. By turning iPhones into Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, this groundbreaking experience puts Galaxy Z Fold directly into the hands of curious iPhone users. Like watching content with immersive view. Yep, that's pretty immersive. Or multitasking. They can even play air hockey together.
We're phone buddies!
Whoa, dope.
Yeah, phone, isn't that pretty sick?
It is.
And it didn't stop there. Fold Experience created positive brand kudos for Samsung being the most innovative mobile brand. We reached 10.6 million installations within the first 5 months from its launch, capturing iPhone users' attention for 116 seconds. 75% users changed brand perception positively, generated reported purchase consideration after experience, and most importantly, increasing proud-to-own scores for Galaxy owners too. Fold Experience, hacking iPhones to sell Galaxy Fold phones.